Hey everyone, Dustin at Merit Ford, 2025 LARIAT with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost, and we're going to show you all the great benefits about this truck. So, carbonized gray, of course, is loved. The black appearance package, black rims, black badging, running boards. Got a little bit of extended running board here. Also protects from some rocks. At the back, we got all your trailer hitch stuff. You have that dual exhaust that everyone loves coming out the back. And then we have the spray in box starter already set and done. You also have a little plug-in in here as well. All that good stuff. So backseat of the Fords, of course, everyone kind of knows by now, lots of room, flat floor for storage and stuff like that. Rear heated seats in this one. And then your plug-ins, USBs, all that kind of stuff. Underneath the seat, we have this nice little compartment to store stuff, and it can fold down flat, super easy. You got to do that side. There we go. Nice, easy, flat storage as well. And then we'll go to the front. So interior, because this has a black appearance, kind of that dark dash interior. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats. Got your center shift console. That's always a popular thing. Wireless charging pad. Mobile office package, what some people are really loving. That flat storage there. Then you got different storage spots all throughout the F-150, which is great. Great stitching, great all that. Memory seating, 1, 2, 3 different memory seats. B&O sound in this one as well. Has the upgraded speakers in the roof, some more speakers, very clear. What else can I talk about this one? Adaptive cruise control, very popular. You can turn it off, but if you love it, you got it. Driver centering, power pedals, on and on, navigation. Great features. In the market for a new truck, we got some great deals here. We're here to make deals. Interested in your trades, please give us a message, 306-453-4444, or come on and see us at Highway 9 in Carlisle.